The new Apple FineWoven case is downright nasty. Yep, this is the replacement for the Apple leather case, so let's open it up. Apple has gone all green, so obviously they are replacing a largely renewable, largely biodegradable material that's made of a byproduct of the food industry with a fine woven material that's largely made of nylon and polyester. Yay for microplastics, yay for not being recyclable nor biodegradable. And for that luxury, they are charging an extra $10. Yep, this cost me 99 Australian dollars. Last time I spent this much on a case, I got scammed on Indiegogo. Anyway, so here it is. And to the untrained eye, this looks a little bit like suede. But to be fair, it feels absolutely nothing like it. Do you know that horrible fake padded material that knockoff Birkenstocks are made of? Yeah, it sort of feels like that. I got the green color because British Racing Green is my favorite color. And to be fair, it doesn't look bad, but it doesn't look anywhere near as nice as leather. Here's a very well worn iPhone leather case, and to be fair, even this feels a million times nicer than this. Let's try scratching this with my fingernail. So as we can see, it leaves a mark, but can I get rid of it? I hope this isn't scratched forever, because that would be very disappointing. Let's compare that with the leather case. I've scratched it and it does sort of fade away a little, but again, it's not brilliant. Let's compare it with the silicone case. Now this is a few months old and it's already so sticky and horrible. I think Apple cases are just dreadful. And then we've got a clear case as well. These would age pretty nicely. They don't yellow, however, they do crack very easily, as you can see. The thing is, with leather though, it does feel nice, and as it ages, it does patina over time and it adds character. How much character it adds, I'm not so sure, but at least it's nicer than the other materials. What I've noticed as well over here is that the previous Apple cases have had the microfiber material on the inside, which does feel nice. Over here though, we've got a little bit more padding and also what feels like the fine woven material as well. And to be fair, it does feel a little bit nasty, but at least it does seem like that it will protect the phone after a fall maybe. But at least the buttons are still metal on the side and they still feel pretty nice. This honestly feels like a case that would age terribly. The sides of it, I think it's still made of the fine woven material, but honestly, it just feels like a mixture of cardboard and rubber. I can't believe that I spent $99 on this case. I'm going to be using this on my iPhone 15 Pro when it does eventually arrive, so make sure that you're following to find out if my fears come true.